Pakistan?
Yes, of course. I'm a college student in Ankara, and I live in Angora, you know. I have a BMW. I come to school at 120 kilometers per hour. And I'm a nice guy.
I want to know more about you. All about your personality and characteristics.
I'm a nice guy. I like clubbing from Wednesdays to Saturdays, Sundays, any day that I'm available actually, that I don't have any. And my shoes are Fred Perry, my coat is Burberry, and my phone is Blackberry, and I drink raspberry.
What about your summers?
In my summers I go to Miami, Ibiza, Bodrum and Çeşme. Usually I like those places a lot because you know they have a lot of girls and we go to club and pick up some girls and have some drinks. It's really nice.
But I wonder about our futures.
Oh, don't worry, don't. No, your future is in my hands, you know, your I have a factory for myself, and I will buy you Louis Vuitton bags, Chanel things and other stuff, so don't worry, makeup also, I will buy you some.
I think you're a university student. How about school?
I go to school when I have attendance or quizzes. My friends message me from BBM if there is anything. And I go fast and enter the quiz or attendance if it's taken, you know? It's nice.
I think you're a weekend student.
How did you know?
Okay, you want to sit here? Sorry, I don't get votes from you.